Hello, this will be another question involving parabola, which is giving you information and asking you to find the equation of a parabola. So find the equation of a parabola that has vertex at origin, right? So usually I will asking student to sketching the roughly sketching somewhere the graph. So the vertex is at the origin, right? It's at the origin. So and its axis parallel to the axis, right? So if you open upwards or open downwards, the axis will be this axis is vertical, which is parallel to the y-axis, right? But they are saying that its axis is parallel to the x-axis, right? So it means that it's not open upwards or open downwards. Parallel to y-axis means it's horizontal, right? Parallel to x-axis, right? So means the graph is either open to the right or open to the left. So for this type of graph, with this information here, its axis parallel to the x-axis. With that, we will know that this will belong to this type of parabola, which is y minus k squared equals to 4p x minus h, right? So open right or open left, we don't know, right? We're not sure it's open right or open left, but we know that its axis is parallel to the x-axis. So later on, we try to see the other information. What is the information telling you? Alright, so we know that the equation is y minus k squared equals to 4p x minus h. How we know that? Very simple. We have information that the axis is parallel to the x-axis. But the problem is we don't know where it's open to the right or open to the left. Alright, we don't know. So, but we know the vertex is somewhere here. So either it's open to the right or open to the left. So the final decision is either the open right or left. We will look at the last information. And the parabola is passed through negative 5, 4. Where is negative 5, 4? Right. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, 4. So negative 5, 4 is around here, right? So it's impossible for the graph to open to the right. If open to the right, with the vertex here, it won't passes through this point here. So this means that the parabola is open to the left. So now you have information, enough information. It's open to the left. So then, okay, the first thing is you know the vertex, right? The vertex. The vertex is the origin. Your h and k is 0. H and k is 0. So it means that y minus 0 square is equals to 4p x minus 0, right? So you will have y square equals to 4px. To find the equation of the parabola, you have to find the equation of p. And you know that this parabola is passes through negative 5, 4. This is the one that important. When you passes through negative 5, 4, means that you can put the value of x and y into the equation and finding the value of p. So then your y value will be 4 to the power of 2 equals to 4p. What is your value of x? It's negative 5. So this will be 4, 4, 16. Right? 4, 16. And negative 5 times 4. Negative 5 times 4. You have negative 20p. And you're giving you the value of p is equals to negative 4 over 5. Right? Negative 4 over 5 or negative 0.8, right? If you calculated that 16 over 20, 4, 4, 16, 5, 4, 20, right? So then you know the value of p, you substitute into the equation, then you get a complete equation, which is 4 times with negative 4 over 5 x, right? Which give you y square equals to negative 16 over 5 x. So this will be the equation of the parabola. Alright, let's go for the next example. Alright, let's continue with this example. It's the same example. It's just, alright, again, I just want to enhance your understanding. Find the equation of parabola that has vertex at negative 1, negative 2. Alright, it's okay. So we know that it's at negative 1, negative 2. Where is it? Negative 1. Negative 2, somewhere around here, right? So this is your vertex, and its axis parallel to the y-axis, right? Just now I have that parallel. This is your y-axis, right? The axis is parallel to the the axis of the parabola. So it means that it's either open up or open down, right? Open up or open down. So from this statement here, we can get information where the standard equation of the parabola will be x minus h squared equals to 4p y minus k. This is the most important thing that you must know, right? What you need to know is, after you understand this, you know this will be your standard equation for this parabola. So, and we already have the vertex here. So we know the equation. So equals to 4p y minus k, right? So the vertex will be h k, negative h, negative 1. So become positive 1 square equals to 4p minus with k minus negative 2, you have positive 2, right? Now you have a vertex, so a vertex form. So now you want to find p. So, and you also know that the parabola passes through 3, 6. 3, 6, where is 3, 6? 3, 6 is 1, 2, 3, right? 3, 6 is above. So it means that the parabola must be open upwards, right? Okay, let's see what's the value of p. If it is open upwards, definitely the p will be positive, right? And it's tell you that it's passing through 3, 6. So passes through 3, 6 means you can substitute the value, this value 3, 6, the value of x and y into the equation, right? So it means that 3 plus 1, your x is 3, your y is 6. 6 plus 2, 8, isn't it? Right? 6 plus 2. So 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 we have 16. 3 plus 1 we have 4. 4 square we have 16. So this one you have 32p, right? 4, 8, 32. So p will be half, right? You see, this is a positive value. That's why the graph will be open upwards. So finally we have get the equation, which will be x plus 1 to the power of 2 equate the p 4 times with half, right? 4 times with half, we have 2 y plus 2. Right? So this will be the equation of the parabola. So I'm not going to teach you how to find the focus and directrix for this question, because you can learn it from other video. So this will be the equation of the parabola for this question here. So that's all for this video. Hope you understand.